This is the Hampton Inn in Beckley, West Virginia. This is room 403 at the Hampton Inn in Beckley, West Virginia. And it is a 2-queen room. It's a corner room, so it's a little bit larger, I think, than the other ones. And it has a pretty big bathroom in it. So I'm gonna go in the bathroom first. It's around the corner. It has a corner sink in here. Neutrogena products. There's a hairdryer under there. Just the standard toilet. It has a tub and then the shower head up here. Lots of extra towels hanging up here on the wall. And it also has a grip in the shower to get in and out. And then hangers back here. Anything else? Another hanger up there. Well lit, nice mirror. Coming back out here, there's a full-length mirror. Then there's the TV and the dresser. Ice bucket ice. In here is a microwave and refrigerator. Then there's a sitting chair. The window, little window, but you do have at least blocked kind of a hill, so you're blocked from all the noise of the road. I don't even know if there's a road on the other side actually. All right, then the 2 beds here. There's a little desk area here with a coffee maker and tea and coffee. There's a big closet, which also has an extra blanket, bag for your laundry, iron and ironing board, and then a suitcase holder. And then coming back to the beds, we'll go over here. In between the beds, there is an iHome. You could use it as a charger for your phone too. There's 2 USBs, the lights here. There is a top sheet here at this hotel. And it doesn't look like, looks like those are the only 2 chargers near the bed. Doesn't even look like there's outlets on the side. So kind of lacking outlets, but there are the 2 chargers for your phone by the bed. And there is an outlet right here. And it looks like a few by the desk as well. And the lights at the desk turn on, so if you just want to have those on, you could have some ambience. So yeah, this is 403. Oh, and I should say, there's Frankie Dog. This is a pet-friendly hotel, so that is why we're staying here on our drive up to Detroit. And he is very excited to have his own bed, I'm sure. And okay, just kidding, this has a power outlet on each side. This is the outdoor pool area, and there's a lot of seating, tables, chairs, sun chairs, umbrellas. And the pool, it goes from 3 feet to 5 feet deep, and there is a little stairway at the end to get into, so if you have little ones, and then a deeper area here. There are working ice dispensers on the 1st and 3rd floors. Behind the hotel, there's a little dog walk area, and they do provide bags so you can clean up after your pet. And there's lots of fun smells back here, according to Frankie. This Hampton Inn is located near a few restaurants, so you could walk to Texas Steakhouse and Saloon. You could walk to this Wendy's. And then on the other side, there's a Bob Evans. And across the street, a Ruby Tuesday, and then a Subway and a Dunkin' Donuts in that gas station. And there's another gas station just on that side that you could walk to as well.